Hello VRay users, Alex here, VRay Guide, and today we're gonna check out how to use VRay GPU render in order to set up VRay environment fog. So I'm gonna use this exterior scene. I'm gonna click here render just to show you what we guys gonna work with. And as you can see here, this is exterior scene that looks like after rain. We have a nice water material on the floor here. NVIDIA denoiser kicks in and polishes image within seconds, so really fast, clean results in no time. Alright, so let's start our interactive rendering in order to see that. So again, just make sure you have two of those elements, VRay denoiser set up as NVIDIA, not the default one. Artificial intelligence is working pretty good to clean this up. And VRay atmosphere, this is pass for seeing. We're gonna look at that pass in order to see our environment fog. All right, so I'm gonna set it up on the interactive mode and add my environment fog. So I'm gonna click here on effects and get my VRay environment fog. As you can see, the fog was automatically added. Now let's do the fog distance, 100. So that's how far is the fog. And let's do a height of 25. And this is how high our fog is gonna go. And if we activate the scattering GI, we actually gonna say, gonna tell our fog to be as natural and work as a real fog in our environment, not a simulation. Okay, so physically correct fog in this setup. Now the beauty thing about it is if we move our sun, we can select and choose really nice position to get our lighting, and you can see everything updates really fast. So in this fog we can also play with our sun turbidity in order to get more of a dusty look. And I can get my sun somewhere here. I want to get nice reflections on the floor. So let's see how this stuff works. Alright, somewhere here, yeah. See, beautiful stuff. We get sun reflections in the ground, and it's very nice atmospheric look, kind of smoggy, foggy look of early morning. So very easy to use. Now let's turn off our sun here, and let's open our layer for the night vision, for the night lights. Unhide that, and now we can go ahead and turn our, let's actually check our atmosphere, how it looks. So in this atmosphere pass, we can see how our environment looks like. Okay, now let's go back to our effects and let's open list lighter, and in list lighter let's activate our lamps. Now you can see the lamps are starting to kick in, and they're giving nice cold color to them. But we can change that, of course. We can play with the color of the lights. So something a little bit warmer. We can also play with the intensity of those lights to see how they really work. And again, thanks to our atmospheric pass, we can exactly see how those lights are working in combination with our VRay fog. All right, let's reduce the intensity a little bit. All right, so once you're satisfied with the results, you can switch to production mode and render your image. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There's more of this stuff in our VRay Next guide, so go ahead, check it out if you want to learn more functions and features of VRay Next. Thank you very much for watching. This is Alex, your VRay guide. Talk soon. Ciao.